Hi everyone, welcome to another County Com one take video. Here today I got one take, one opportunity to show you the carbon fiber folding craft scalpel knife. Wow, this is just kind of the cat's meow here. So some of you may have been familiar with and purchased the titanium folding craft and scalpel knife. Same thing. If you like this, you're gonna love this. If you don't like titanium for some reason, you'll like carbon fiber. So same knife. We ran them on the same machines with the same CNC program. So really same knife, carbon fiber. That is the thing. Advantages of carbon fiber: very lightweight. So this with the blade is half an ounce. 0.5 ounces with the blade. Carbon fiber, little gritty feel to it, but that's it. And you'll notice the scallop pattern. We didn't do a golf ball pattern on this. One of the machinists called this a tree bark pattern, but it's way too symmetrical for tree bark. But it is a grippy surface that is supposed to increase the gripping surface of the knife. So good. What else to tell you about it? I told you that it weighs half an ounce. Dimensions open. That's 5.5 inches long. That is from here to here. That is half an inch, and it's 0.3 inches thick. So, and you'll notice on the back it is engraved CF for carbon fiber / TI titanium. And then it's got a consumer and government entity code. That way when Uncle Sam needs more, he looks up that code and orders all that he would like. And we love that, and we depend on that. So you get this. What else do you get? You get three spare blades. You can always use a spare blade. It's a scalpel. So there are plenty of videos of how to safely change scalpel blades. It's very simple, really, and this is the wrong way to do it. The wrong way to do it is take your finger and push that up a little bit, and then slide that off. That is the dangerous way to do it. Not saying that it's not done, it's just that's not the correct way. Take a look at YouTube videos. It has more videos on how to actually change the blade. So in other videos we've talked about, carrying a really sharp blade right next to your femur. It could be a little scary for you. I absolutely have no fear, because we also give you this wonderful sheath. And the sheath, that thick nylon webbing, feels like seatbelt webbing. Well, there's a reason. It is actual seatbelt webbing. So it's high-grade webbing. We have Velcro hook and loop. I'm sorry, we have Velcro, not hook and loop. We have Velcro there. So in goes the knife, and it's safe, and it's got a little lanyard on it. It's quite the package. So if you like the titanium, you're going to love the carbon fiber. If you didn't get an opportunity, because titanium is becoming a little more scarce now, carbon fiber, here it is. So I hope you enjoyed that quick look at the carbon fiber folding craft scalpel knife. Look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe, be alert.